It is done. It is cold, guys. No oil, no water, no oil, no water. You see? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be making egg cheese tuna burrito. Watch my recipes, guys. You're gonna love it. Not wasting any much time, let's get into the video. My ingredients are 3 whole tomatoes, 1 whole onions, 2 pepper, hot pepper. I have my 6 eggs, 2 star maggi. I love star maggi so much, guys. I have flake light tuna. I'm going to add, and cheddar and skin part mozzarella cheese. Here's it, guys. I've already washed my tomatoes, or I can wash it again because I just touched. So I want to start chopping my tomatoes, pepper, and onions. I'm going to be dicing my pepper. This one's like too big. To slice my onions. I like it cut in this shape. I need to go to school on how to slice this chopping board. I need to do training on that. But for the meantime, let me be using my hand like this, the way I'm used to. See, I go to a learning class on how to use chopping boards. I'll come back to the chopping board. So I want to start frying them. While I'm waiting for my pan, I'll crack the eggs. Okay, I want to see the water out from the tuna. So there you go. I'm using the last oil.
I fried onions and the tuna fish first, then stirred together. Added 1 star maggi, then salt. Stir together, stir very well. Then I added my tomatoes to it for everything to be fried together. I did not make use of the second maggi because the one maggi I used was enough. Then I added the eggs to it, as you can.
Cover for 1 minute. As you can see, guys, this egg sauce is already fried. It's already done. It is done. It is cold, guys. No oil, no water, no oil, no water. You see? It's so dry. Not so dry, but it's not when you put it in the burrito, it will be flowing in your hand. No. This is recipe I've been trying for ages. So I thought of bringing it here. Maybe 1 or 2 persons that have not tried this recipe may also benefit and give it a try. Have a change of dishes. I wish you can all taste on this. You will testify that it's really yummy.
That is the sauce, guys. Then I just put it in the plate. My bacon is right there. Air frying, that is my bacon. See? Yeah. The egg sauce was very hot, was still hot. So when I add the cheese, it's going to be easy to melt.
said he don't like cheese, so I'm not going to be adding cheese for this. You don't like cheese and so much egg, so that's why I'm doing it without cheese. I want to cut it. It's so juicy, you see? And you don't like cheese, why?
I don't know, just in the nature. I like cheese. I'm not everyone to say that.
Cut it. Before she come back, please call. This is the end result. I've never made this kind of burrito before.
It's pretty awesome. I mean, the bacon and the cheese are my favorite parts.
So you like it so much?
Yeah,
You want me to make it again?
yes,
But without the cheese,
no.
right?
This is an example.
You like them, they are your favorite.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be making it more.